Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate TikTok Pixel in Shopify detailed guide step by step clearly.
First, log into your Shopify admin account. In the left-hand menu, click on Online Store. Next, select Preferences.
Scroll down to the Facebook Pixel section. Under the TikTok Pixel area, you will see an option to enter your TikTok Pixel ID. Open a new tab and log into your TikTok Ads Manager. Once inside, navigate to the Assets menu and select Event.
Click on the Pixels option.
Here, you will either create a new pixel or find your existing pixel ID. If you need to create a new pixel, click the Create Pixel button.
Follow the prompts to name your pixel and add a description.
After creating your pixel, copy the pixel ID displayed on your screen.
Return to your Shopify tab.
In the TikTok Pixel section, paste your pixel ID into the designated field. Make sure to click Save to apply your changes. Next, go back to your TikTok Ads Manager.
Once again, access the pixel settings under the Assets menu. Select your pixel and click on the Check Connection button. This will help verify the connection between Shopify and TikTok. If your pixel is authenticated successfully, you will see a confirmation message. If there is an issue, ensure that the pixel ID was entered correctly in Shopify. After successful authentication, you are ready to start tracking events on TikTok. Go back to Shopify and continue setting up your pixel events as needed. This setup will enable you to analyze user interactions effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.